Today I'm going to teach you how to put the text behind the person on Funimate. Want this? In the next video I'm going to teach you how to do the text animation like this. So subscribe now, so you will never miss my upcoming more tutorials. Alright, let's start now. Please watch carefully so you will understand. Add your clip. Now go to mask and click portrait, so it will mask the person. Now duplicate your clip. Now go to the bottom layer, and go to mask again and click the undo button. Now add your text. Choose any font you like. Now pick the color of your text. Now put your text below the masked person. Just watch here. Adjust your text, anything you like.